Oh, hi, Mommy.
Hello, Mommy. Hello.
Look at our slime.
Look at our slime. Their slime.
Hi.
Hello.
Where's Daddy? Daddy, where? Don't say he go out again.
With cold ankle.
Yeah.
He always go out with cold.
Yeah, you know. Just not Jackson was there. Eeky. Hello. My slime
Hello.
is here.
So this is my slime.
This is my
It's
slime.
really small, but it's really nice
I
feeling.
like her slime
This is
better
my
than
slime.
mine. Because mine is like...
I rated 7
I like
for this
my
one.
slime. Because mine is like... Mine is like just like normal. Weird.
I rate this 8 because it's really nice, but it's really small. Yeah. Yay.
Mine's just like weird.
Yay.
What is that?
Almond cookies.
It's so yummy.
Yay, 7 almond cookies.
Do not, whatever you do not even try this. And this is my confetti glitter.
So this is what she used for this glitter.
Confetti glitter.
I rate this a 8 because it's really
See, no,
nice.
stop. It's like a sequins glitter.
Okay, I can get it.
Okay, so try this. Do not try this at home. But it is kind of fun, I guess. But it's weird. Pretty weird.
Guys, and I use this
Look at my nails.
And I use this type of bubble mixture, and she said it's glue, so I just try out for this little slime because I want to test out.
It's actually a bubble mixture, but it made slime. Please do not try this glue.
Ow!
Sorry,
That hurt so much.
Do not try this glue. Not sponsored, but do not try it. It makes us really gross. It may look good, but it's like
It's for fabric only.
it's rippy.
It's fabric.
It's like rippy.
Oh my goodness. I used this from Thailand. Because hers, yeah,
I also have mine.
and her sister bought it. The one in front of you bought her older sister bought it. So I was really lucky to have this because, yeah, all of us have it. But then I used this since she said it was good to make slime with.
Okay,
So I was like, I'll
is
test a little bit. And then
this is just like gross. It may look really, really good, but it's just like soggy and.
Can I touch it again?
Can I touch yours?
Oh, it is really soggy.
Yeah, it's really soggy.
This one is really fluffy, like
Can I
that.
touch yours?
Move away, guys.
Oh,
I want
yeah.
to show off my talent. She's really flexible anyway.
She's like Anna McNulty.
No, I mean like she's not that flexible. And I'm like,
She's like Anna McNulty, you know, but she's not that flexible.
this is the most nicest slime I've ever had.
I did my makeup.
She wore makeup just now,
I still have it on.
like an hour ago.
Eek. Okay, so this slime is just like gross.
Even if it's too tiny, it still works anyway.
It works, but it's just weird and
should I put back the detergent?
yeah, it's just weird and
Yeah, how much? That's too much.
I'm just putting the whole.
I knew it.
Okay, so this is gross.
This is fun. And it's just a bit.
So this is my slime. Okay, give me.
This is my slime.
This is her slime. Okay, it's rippy. So I don't quite like it. In my opinion, I give this like
Can I touch it?
a 1.5 out of 10.
It's like the same, but this one's
Okay,
a little bit harder.
Okay, so this is her slime. It's just like beautiful and stretchy.
And look
So
blue.
it pops. Like, it's like
there's hair in it.
I know, it's gross. I don't know how it got in there. It's definitely not my hair.
That's definitely not my hair because I didn't touch that much. Did I, guys? No, wait.
You touched it.
I didn't touch that much.
You still touched it. Okay, so if you want to see more of the slime, follow us on Instagram on our CJ group.
Yeah.
And
you might see all
Do
the
you know
pictures on
last
Instagram.
time I can't play slime because I don't know how to play.
Because she has a rotten finger.
No, because I don't know how to play slime. But
No,
now
because
I
you
can.
have a rotten finger.
Because last time it was so sticky, and
My
now I
nails.
can do it because I'm so fast. I'm so fast and slow.
no! My nails! They're stuck.
What? Are they coming up?
Whoa.
It ripped out my nail. Oh my god.
What?
You
Should
should
I add like alcohol so it would be like nail polish remover? So it would be like
Okay, guys. Okay, mine.
So this is my slime. There it is.
her slime is pretty good, but I don't quite
Whose
like
slime?
your slime.
My slime?
Your slime is okay, but I don't like mine because I have more advanced slime than this. Okay, let me go get my advanced slime.
Yeah, advanced slime. Yo, invent slime. Invent.
Guys, this pops so much.
Yeah.
Look at
Can
this.
I see if yours is blue?
So this is my advanced slime. Okay, so it like pokes really well. It's humongous, not humongous.
Oh my goodness! Look at
Just
that.
look at the size
Look at
difference. Seriously, like this is okay. It's like water slime.
Oh, and look over there. It's glue, detergent,
But this is
and
just like,
slime.
oh.
I mean, glue, detergent equals
Yeah.
slime.
Who wants to do ASMR with me?
Me.
Remember the Mean Girl video?
Oh yeah.
She a Muslim or what? She has blue eyes.
Don't tag them though.
Hear this crunch.
Hear this crunch.
Whoa.
There it is, crunch. I just like. I'm so scared it was sticky.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.